Lending. Today we're out looking at a house over in Florissant, and I noticed when we're here it's actually this really big, nice, beautiful brick house, but there's a little bit of siding. And this is going to be a rental house, so sometimes for rentals I hear the question of, you know, should we replace siding? How much should we do to make the rental unit look nice and show well? Especially right now because Florissant seems to be a pretty competitive rent market. So anyways, this house, this is kind of the back of the house. There's like a little side door, and the siding is really, honestly, just really grody. It's just really filthy. So, you know, sometimes in the winter it can be really hard to power wash, but since we're having an unusually warm winter, this is such a small section of the house. It wouldn't take much just to rent a small power washer and just power wash this little sided jut out, and it'll make a huge difference when it shows. So it's just something to think about when you're finishing up a rental rehab and thinking about how it's going to show to tenants. The other thing that we noticed on this house is this is a standard screen door, and when we walk in, you can see it's broken. It's not going to stay open. We see this all the time. I don't know how many times I hear of people getting phone calls from tenants that says, hey, my screen door broke. They broke it. So an easy way to save on your maintenance calls and honestly your cost, instead of replacing this screen door, just go ahead and get rid of it. There's a regular door right here, so the house will still lock and be secure, but then you have one less maintenance issue. You don't have to worry about tenants slamming and breaking screen doors. Tenants aren't going to care. And if this was the front of the house, if this door was, you could also paint this fun, bright color to help it stick out when people go look at it. I recommend that a lot, especially when people are doing flips. So anyways, thanks for listening. That's our tip of the day. If you haven't already, please like FasterFunds Lending on Facebook. And if you have any questions about our hard money lending program, give us a call at 636-223-4262. Thanks.